Hey guys, thanks for stopping by. It's Laurie and today we're making a Christmas ornament bulb wreath and it is so easy to make. I'm using an assortment of small, medium, and large bulbs that I got at the Dollar Tree. And a 13.8-inch styrofoam wreath that I bought at Michael's. Getting started, we're going to use some ribbon to make a hanger for our wreath. I'm using Dollar Tree ribbon and all you need to do is wrap it around the form and hot glue it on. Then make a loop with the same ribbon and hot glue that to the form. Before you cut your ribbon away from the spool, cut about 2 or 3 inches of extra ribbon and then hot glue that around the rest of the form. This just ensures that the hanger won't move. I'm starting my wreath by using the large and the medium size Christmas ornaments. Getting started, I just placed some hot glue on one side of the Christmas bulb. Then very carefully, I just placed it against the form. Then I continued with a medium-sized bulb, and then I continued with the large, and just kind of followed the pattern around the whole ring of the wreath form. I was making this wreath for myself, so I wasn't too concerned that you could see the wreath form on the back. I'm gluing directly onto the form, but you can always wrap the form with ribbon or paint it before you start gluing the ornaments to it. All the ornaments that I'm using on this project are from the Dollar Tree and they are plastic. I actually preferred to use the plastic ornaments just in case this ever did fall off the wall or something heavy was placed on top of it. Once the outside was complete, I placed an assortment of the ornaments on the inside and then I proceeded to hot glue them into place. Once that was complete, I then started to glue a layer of bulbs on the top. While gluing the bulbs onto the top, I made sure that both of the ends faced into each other. While working on this project, it's very important to stay focused and know exactly where the hot glue is because it is so easy to burn yourself. I didn't use any specific pattern, I just kind of placed the different colored ornaments where I thought that they would complement each other. I made this wreath in the classic Christmas colors, but I think it would be beautiful in a solid color or any assorted colors. Once I had completed gluing the ornaments on the top of the wreath, I then began using my smaller ornaments. The Dollar Tree has some really pretty small round disco-looking bulbs. They are super sparkly and I just started gluing them in all the little nooks and crannies along with my other small bulbs. Once I was done, the wreath was ready to hang. It took me only about a half an hour to make it. It was super sparkly and I loved the way it looked on my wall. This was such a fun and easy project to make. I hope you give it a try. Thanks for hanging out with me, and if you haven't yet subscribed, just click that little red subscribe button below, and I will see you soon. Bye, everybody!